Hi everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Just thought I'd do a fairly quick video for you, almost an update I suppose, but a bit of an outline on me growing my strawberry plants. So there's a variety called Temptation. Some of you may remember I sowed the seed of it sort of about middle of March, and we're now approaching the end of July, so it sort of highlights the fact that not all fruit and vegetable plants are quick to germinate and get going up to a croppable size, and that a bit of planning is needed. My reason for growing them from seed, well, essentially spider plants in a 2 or 3 litre spec, you're looking about £7-8 for a plant, whereas I managed to source a packet of 10 seeds for about I think it's about £4. Had a few failures, but yeah, I'll let you guys judge whether it's been success or not, and when I turn the camera around. So yeah, so as I say, grew them from seed, just sowed them onto some moist compost, put them in the propagator. They germinated within about a week, 10 days, and then yeah, once they were, I suppose, about an inch high, pricked out into individual 9cm pots, and this is the stage we're at now. So yes, I will turn the camera around, stop talking, and let you see how we're doing. So I sowed the seed of the strawberry Temptation at middle to end of March, just onto a bed of compost, lightly watered in, and then just kept that within the slightly heated propagator unit, and they germinated within about a fortnight. So most of the seeds did germinate, and I got decent viability. And then I did have a few failures during the pricking out stage, where I ended up going from the 10 plants down to 7. Yeah, quite an easy germination, as I say, pricked out, but then we got the heat, which I think is what did the damage. But on the whole, easy to start with. And these are them, so Strawberry Temptation. It's a great variety. I sowed the seed of these, some of you might remember, in the early part of March, and we're now at the end of July, so really highlighting the fact that not all edible crops are a quick grow and a quick fix. I started with 10 seeds in the pack, so as you can see, 3 have died or just not made the pricking out stage. It is a really nice strawberry plant itself. It's a little bit like Sweetheart, so nice and sweet, medium-sized fruit. Classed as an ever bearer, so that means you will get repeat crops on it. The downside with Temptation, which is why I've had to buy seed, is that you can't produce it from runner, so it doesn't readily produce runners on the plant. So if you want to propagate your own, then you'd need to wait for a viable plant and then try and split the plant and do it that way. But trying to buy a plant is hard at the best of times because they go so quickly, and sort of a 1 to 2 litres size plant, you're looking at about £7 or £8. I think I paid about £4 for the packet of seed, so a pretty good return. So yeah, as you can see, they're in these squat 9cm pots, and I'm going to go on to this 10.5cm pot, so not really a massive up spec, but it will be enough compost just to give it a bit of a boost. And then when we get to the autumn time, that size pot will be nice and viable, so I'll be able to plant those out, and they will produce a fruit for next spring, so spring of 2021. So as you can see, that will give us essentially a seed to crop timescale of a whole year, but it will be worth it. So yeah, so that's the update on what I've been doing on this crop. So I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe if you did, or send me a message, and be good to hear from you, and keep growing, and see you soon. Bye.